bit to make it seem as though everything is on the up and up, so that's not the way that it's going to happen. The real...
Nope. Red light runner. See? Run through that stop sign.
Originally, the Aerosmith Cinema in Piccadilly Circus was
Red light runner.
Cinema. And in the original Jack, when I first made him up in that makeup, he, as I was putting the stuff on, in makeup here,
I think that was red light run.
getting more and more.
What the hell? Go!
And people have done it. Tell me what it's like, because I haven't done it.
Yeah, I mean, I've done speed.
Right, you went straight for a left turn lane.
All those drugs are good.
He kept 2 red light runs. The dumpster in. It's always Subarus at this intersection.
Persons. But of those people, the U.S. Department of Education found that only 55% of them will graduate with a degree within 6 years. Put another way, for every 3 students that graduate from high school, 2 will go in 6 years.
You can't just tap the brakes and just slow down at that.
So anyway, Steve Mnuchin and Goldman Sachs, it was found that in the lead up to the subprime mortgage crisis and the Great Recession, here's what they would do, Joe. They would sell to unsuspecting clients these packages.
Jesus.
You realize it isn't a character flaw. It's not like, what an asshole. It's everybody.
Asshole left, that guy started to go.
It's your sister. It's...
And you're right, it's like
nice slow build. That's
and I've
what you
also
want.
got like access to like, hey, I'll hire you.
Yes,
it's not even like I gotta get my.
That's really
shit
bad red
together
light
and do it
run.
myself.
It's good
Yeah,
to
I'll
go
try.
somewhere.
Red light runner. Brooks Landscaping. And a Subaru.
It becomes so normal that it's just the way it is, and there's no shock factor of what student loan debt does.
What? Why would you go out? The car was right there.
Anthony O'Neill. He's devoted his life to helping.
This is new. Wait, and of course that guy stopped, but he didn't have to. Cheers! He just ran right through.
Out on the pier. It used to be where Anthony's Pier 4 was.
What?
Way out there.
What?
You know? Drive out to this great Italian restaurant. It was like one of the greatest
No,
Italian
that first car was a
restaurants in the
Subaru.
country.
So there.
And,
What the
but you kinda took
fridge?
your life in your hands going out there because it was kind of shady out there. Out there.
Why are people?
But now it's all built up out there, like everything.
Tells Taylor what the President of the United States told Sondland. 13 conversations. Yeah,
Red light runner.
I'll give you a chance here in a second. But 13.
Really?
A few moments later.
Hey, Ducky.
Yeah? Hey, how are you doing?
I'm just fine. Long time no.
A few moments later.
What the hell are you doing in the middle of the intersection?
I was on my 3rd year of college, and they had cut off all my grants.
Whoa!
No financial aid to be able to pay.
$40,000 in debt, and so I almost see it as an investment. And I've talked to my parents about it, and we definitely think
the right thing to do is
Uh-oh.
to take on
Lettuce
a
pea
small bit of that,
pods.
so I can
Stop and
advance
shop.
a little bit more.
Decade. Ed Brining listens to his wife's pleas as she begs him to do something.
Whoa!
Meanwhile,
Just
on the other
don't
side of
assume
town,
the lanes next to you
couple
is
of buddies
clear.
are up to no.
I was there. That's where I met Peter Jackson. We actually he sat next to me. He had the screening, and we became friends.
Bad.
Movie break.
800-273-TALK. You can also reach out to the crisis text line. Text the word
Jeez.
hello for
He's really
You are
pissing
not
people
alone,
off
and
by
there's
going
always hope for you.
500 to speed limit. Holy crap. Oh, look, an open spot there. There's a couple open spots on the other side of the street. Open spot there. Open spot there. I see no reason to double park. Okay. Whoa. Someone's on coke today. And he cuts off another guy. You know, the left two lanes go to the same place.
You just woke up one day and it had grown 400%.
Exactly.
Up there are two cars.
How did that
Really?
feel the day you realized that? Was there one moment where you went, oh my goodness?
Yeah.
And the impact it's having on real people. In this episode, we'll talk about how we got into the student loan debt crisis in the first place and the predatory practices that keep borrowers in debt.
That's the thing about aviation. It's fucking fascinating, but
Really?
taking these fucking tests
Pennsylvania
blows.
Acura.
You know, once
Oh, last second exit up there, that orange thing.
IRA, this Internet Research Agency in Russia, and all the work that they do.
Acura.
They have people working 24 hours a day on this shit.
Or Honda.
And they're doing it.
Is there still a need for impeachment? Yes, ma'am.
Really?
Impeachment is complete when the president abuses his office, and he abuses his office by attempting to abuse his office.
Maybe it's because the system is rigged. After all, not only do they see that with their own eyes and
Nope.
ears, they know that Gordon Sondland, just to take an example, gave $1 million to the...
It's not quite Dylan when he's 24 and being anointed plugging in a guitar, but I do think
Red!
When people
Red!
sort of go, hey,
Red!
I'm gonna, he's going for something good. It's going to help humanity, and he
Red light
cracks
runner.
open, like, the backside of God. And
Please tell me you're
something
going
out
after the guy
there
because I saw you.
is not
Bolt.
meant to be taken out, and now he's
like almost like animal movements to it too.
Really?
It was a very physically demanding thing, and he became outstanding at that as well. But it's people don't from the outside. When you start talking about things like jiu-jitsu and ultimate fighting,
You know, I could have kept going if you didn't cut me off.
But it's an intellectual pursuit, and it's a spiritual pursuit.
He
Because
just
to
went
be
straight.
The person that can overcome.
Oh, that guy up there.
For the nation as a whole. Professor Turley, is that advice being followed by House Democrats in this case?
Red light runner.
Not on this.
If you look at how these words were defined during the time the Constitution was debated and ratified,
And another one.
misdemeanor is something less than an atrocious crime, and atrocious is
and have the appetite for, and their brains enjoy
Red light
longer
runner.
form conversations.
Another one.
And longer
Jeez.
form stories.
in the Constitution. So here's how the 1785 edition of Johnson's dictionary defines the relevant terms in high misdemeanor.
Really?
High, the relevant sub-definition.
Red light runner. Well, he wasn't in the right turn lane, that Subaru.
And get everybody to our side. So basically, and this shouldn't come as a
Even if
surprise
you
to
won?
anybody. What's that?
Why? Well, even if you win, why do you have to rile everybody up?
Well, see, he's the first president to never stop campaigning. He's always campaigning. He's always doing rallies. And there's a reason why he's doing that, Joe. It's the only thing he loves on...
Enjoy your week. You cunts, and I'll check in on. Yeah, you're not cunts. I'm a cunt today. All right. I got no one to blame but myself. I'll take this loss.
Whoa, jeez!
Enjoy the music, and then we got to throw back 30 minutes of a Thursday.
People always do it here. Yeah, that red car and that green car. That guy, last second exit. Ooh, geez, yeah, cut off the big 18-wheeler for your last second exit. He just went right through a red light.
You know, they're not going to be back in time, and you know.
Ooh, that guy up! Wow.
You left the game. You had the 3 timeouts.
Nope. Nope.
Where it's like, if I try to bring up a real issue,
it's 65 here.
Talk about that. Yeah,
you're only going 55. And people are passing us on the right.
Dispute. Part of the whole dispute is you see something like.
Get out of my way!
At the same time, we have a constitutional duty to keep foreigners from spending money in our elections. And those two things are two sides.
Feeling rewarding, and I know that I'm not a loser. Because a lot of it is like confidence, right? A lot of it is if you look at your life and you look at things that other people are doing.
To make that, it was a step in the right direction because anything was better than the system that we had at the time. But I would say that was just a little step off.
Angry people. You're just going to make a bunch of people that are completely distrusting, and you're going to absolutely empower the opponents of your ideas.
Really?
Like people that do get to.
I hate people that do that.
Right, because the goalposts keep getting moved.
Right.
If you can ban him.
Oh,
for that,
last second move
then
over.
Once you ban me for repeating.
Red light runner.
Because the China thing, they're doing this Belt and Road initiative. And basically, this is like
2 of them at once.
Their version of empire through.
The time is 3:50. In just a few moments, we will join here.
You're
and
just
now
going to keep going?
Coverage of a press conference with
You're
President
just going to keep
Turkish
going.
President Erdogan.
It's kind of too late to stop. You already passed them.
At 4 o'clock.
I have a New York Times op-ed stating why President Obama should have done more in investing in Ukraine by a trio of ambassadors, which includes William Taylor.
Without objection, that will be entered into the record. Mr. Christianworth.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I'd like to walk you through a couple
Don't
of
turn on
points
red,
raised
don't
by
turn
my
on red.
colleagues on the other side.
We're hearing now from
Okay, now it's green.
Mr. Murphy, Democrat.
I believe he did.
Everybody's going to get a warning and skip around. You know what I think you should do now? Now you have to take it to the next level.
You don't see me?
I think when you hit a home run,
he was conceived as a way to discredit the First Amendment.
What?
And
Whoa!
some other ideas that
Nissan drivers. Real another guy.
$1 million to fight EB5 or overturn it.
Coastal
or,
carriers,
as we now know, make
red light
an
runner.
exception.
That's a rhetorical question. I will yield
Wait,
now
whoa!
to Mr.
What
Stewart,
the fuck was that for?
Mr. Stewart.
Aid was conditioned on the investigations. That you
What?
had a phone call with President Trump that you relayed to both Tim Morrison.
Someone else overheard this phone call, and there's a description of it here. Sondland's being questioned by
Right,
Daniel
straight from left
Goldberg,
turn.
who's the Democratic lawyer. Let's listen.
One of the more insidious aspects of the term fake news, because goddamn, that's so easy to throw around. It's like it's so easy to call.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Yeah, he's cruising along. He ain't moving over for nothing. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribed and tune in for more. Bye.